Alright, this is a SAS VAYA demo by Savannah Camper. So first we are going to open Explore and Visualize, and that was found using these three lines in the top left corner. So we're going to start with data that we already have. So I've recently opened the product report for Orion Sports, so that is what we are going to double click. And it comes with a report overview, supplier analysis, and product analysis. And for this, we're going to be using the product analysis. So we're going to answer a couple questions from the SAS VAYA demo sheet. So this is what we're going to do. So to find, the first question is what links are available for product analysis page. So we're going to click on this one, for example, close, and then double clicking on any of these for the bar chart, we'll find all the links for each supplier or for each product analysis. And that is also told in this corner. So links, double click the product group in the bar chart to show details about the products. So this is how you find it. This is for Osprey. So that is the first question. And then the second question is view which product category has the fewest number of orders and the lowest total profit. So we are going to go to quantity and click on one of these and then expand this. And then we are going to go to the first question is asking number of orders, which has the fewest. So we're going to click ascending order up here and see that indoor sports product category has the lowest number of orders. And to find profit, we are also going to click ascending order, and then we can see that team sports make the lowest profit out of all of these. The next question we are going to answer is which product groups are included in the indoor sports category. So we're going to minimize this. And then I know this one is the indoor sports category because when it's bigger I can see it. So we're going to click on that one and see that fitness, gymnastics, clothing, and top trim are the product groups that are included for the indoor sports category. And then the next question is how many products are in the fitness product group. So we're going to hover over fitness, their bar, and it says that 45 products are in the fitness product group. The next question that we're going to answer is do any fitness products generate loss? So we're going to double click on this bar, slide over, and we have this in ascending order. Just to make sure, we'll do it again. This is descending order, so we're going to profit, ascending order. So we can see that the profit is lower than 0, meaning that they're at a loss for these 4 suppliers. Clicking out of that. So we are still in the fitness. We are going to go to top 10 cities by profit to answer what are the top 2 cities by orders for fitness products. So we're going to answer orders first. Have this bigger. So we can see that Madrid is obviously the highest bar, followed by Milano, and if we hover over it, it'll say the number of orders is 205, and Paris seems really close, but their number of orders is 204. So the answer for this one is Madrid and Milano. And then to answer which are the top 2 cities by profit for fitness, we're going to go back to this. We're on orders, but we're going to go on profit, expand, and we can see that the top profit is London at 523.38, I'm guessing million, and then Houston is the second city that has the highest profit for fitness. And that is just a snippet of the demo for SAS VAYA. Thank you.